Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great in your life wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for coming back, for liking, sharing and subscribing it. If you have not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So this is your divine masculine to the divine feminine who are not in contact with each other. Okay, twin flame reading and the messages, twin flame who are in a twin flame journey. What are the divine masculine messages to the divine feminines? What does they want to say? Who are in no contact zone? Okay, so let's start your reading. I hope it resonates with you, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay, so let's start. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine who are not in contact with. What does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine? What does divine masculine wants to say? What does divine masculine say? Is there anything they want to say? Okay. Beautiful messages are here for you, divine feminines. So they want to say you that I still love you. They still love you, divine feminines. No one other compares to you. They still love you and no one other compares to you, divine feminines. And I have known you in often lifetimes. Beautiful. They want to tell you this. Something is still missing for me. I'm trying to figure out what that is. Okay, they are thinking that something is missing in them, and what is that which is missing? And they want to ask you that would you accept me? Would you accept me? Because they are ready for new beginning. I am ready for our new beginning. Would you accept me, divine feminines? We will be together again. Here, can you see? I am ready for a new beginning and we will be together again. These are the things which your divine masculine wants to say to you. Okay. Then there is, I know I screwed things up and honestly I have no idea how to fix it. Is it possible to forgive and forget? So they know that they have treated you wrong. They have treated the wrong way. Okay, they have screwed things up, but they are asking you that is it possible for you to forgive and forget? Okay, they know that they have screwed things up, but they don't know how to fix it. Okay, beautiful. That's why they are saying it, that would you accept me? Would you accept me, divine feminines? Is it possible for you to forgive and forget? Let's see more messages from the divine masculine. Let's see what are they want to say. What are divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminines? What are the messages they want to say to the divine feminines? What are the messages from the divine masculines to the divine feminines? No, there are too many messages. They want to say a lot of things. Okay, I'm going to take these. They're very sorry about how things went down. Any other thing? Your beauty and strength intimates me. You give me hope. So they want to say you that you give them hope, divine feminines, and your beauty and strength intimates them. They need more time here. I need more time. They need more time here. You have triggered my spiritual awakening. Can you feel me when I'm kissing you? So they want to ask you that are you connected with them in 5D? Maybe they are trying to talk to you in 5D here. Because here I'm having that you have triggered my spiritual awakening. So they are trying to talk to you, trying to connect with you in 5D. So they are asking you that can you feel me when they kissing you, when they kiss you in 5D? I am running away because I feel unworthy of your love. So they run away from you because they feel that they are unworthy of your love, divine feminines. That's why they run away. I am healing my inner child. They're doing their healing, they're doing their inner work. And I'm stepping up to the place and making big life changes. So they're working on themselves. They're working so hard to make the big life changes. They're making life changes here. And it does not feel safe for me to open up. They did not feel safe to open up. I am sorry, I can't forgive myself how things went down. See, that's why they're asking you that is it possible for you to forgive and forget? Because they know that they screw things up and they don't know how to fix it up, and they are sorry. They cannot forgive themselves for whatever they have done with you. They are feeling very much sad remorse on those things which has already happened. Okay, they're trying to forgive, but they cannot forget themselves. They cannot forgive themselves for how things went down. See, is it possible for you to forgive and forget? They know that they screwed up things, but they're trying to tell you that we will be together again, and they're ready for their new beginnings. And they want to know that would you accept me? They still loves you. No one others compares to you, and they know you in many often lifetimes. So these are the messages from your divine counterpart. Let's see what are the messages from. Wow, I just cut it out, and there is new beginning. Trust in the divine plan. There is a new beginning which is coming for you, divine feminines. There is new beginnings which is coming for you. New doors are opening up for you, and trust in the divine plans. Surrender to the divine. He has a better plan for you. Let's see what are the messages for this reading. Give me the messages which I need to deliver for this reading. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages which I need to deliver? What are the messages which I need to deliver? Wow. What are the messages which I need to deliver for this reading? They're feeling regret about those things which has already happened. They have treated you wrong, and they know that, divine feminines, they know that. They know that they have treated you wrong. That's it. Pay attention to your dreams here. See, reconciliation. Many of you are going to reconcile with your divine counterpart. Together we will make it. Maybe in your dreams there is a message here. Okay, there is a message, or they are trying to the divine is trying to communicate with you. And here I was having, I see you in my dreams. That was also the message in the bottom of the deck. So maybe your divine counterpart is trying to communicate with you through your dreams. So pay attention to your dreams, divine feminines. So they are feeling very regret, or you are feeling any regret. If there is someone who is feeling regret, time has come to release all regrets here. Okay, the time has come to release all the regrets. There is patience. This situation requires more time. There is awakening. You are finding your higher self. See, this was the message that you have triggered my spiritual awakening here. Awakening is happening for your divine masculine. Okay, so you have triggered my spiritual awakening. So they are now getting awakened. They are becoming their higher self here. Then there is engagement. Remember me, eternal love. So many of you, maybe some of you are going to get engagement proposal from your divine counterpart, your divine masculine, or you are going to get engagement here. Trust in the divine plan. See, again the message is same. Surrender to the divine. He has the better plan, the best plans for you. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Where is my deck? Okay, here it is. Let's see what are the messages from the universe to the divine feminines. What are the messages from the universe to the divine feminines for this reading? Give me the messages to the divine feminines. What are the messages which I need to deliver to all my divine feminines from the universe? Any other message? I'm not going to take it, but I'm going to show you that never compare yourself to others. You are unique. Okay, don't compare yourself. You are unique. Maybe you are comparing yourself to others, divine feminine. Stop comparing yourself. You are unique. Then there is confront your shadow self and balance it. You have to work on your shadow self. Remember the power and strength you have as a divine being. And bottom of the deck, I'm having reach out to your soul tribe. Connect with your soul tribe here. So let's start your messages from the universe. Learn to love your body and embrace it. Okay, learn to love your body. Self-love is indicated here. Accept yourself first, then only anyone else can accept you. Build your inner strength. Engage in creative activities to stir your imaginations. Work on your creativities. Engage yourself into creative activities so that will help you to increase your imagination. Then there is unplug yourself from the world for one day. You need to take rest for one day. Okay, sit back and relax and rest. Unplug from the world and sleep for some time. Okay, listen and sharpen your intuitive skills. Listen to your intuitions, and you have to work on your intuitive skills. Maybe you are not listening to your intuition, so you have to listen and sharpen your intuitive skills. Then there is remove yourself from toxic situations and relationships. 1212 was the recording reading time. Remove yourself from any toxic situation or any relationship which you are in. If you are still in a toxic relationship or in a toxic situation, you need to remove yourself from them as soon as possible. So these are the messages from the universe. Let's see what are the messages from this deck. In this deck, I will get you know the blocks. What are the blockages in your twin flame journey? Let's see what are the blockages in this twin flame journey for this video. Give me the blockages which I need to tell for this video. What are the blockages? What are the blockages for this reading which I need to deliver? What are the blockages? One more. Bottom of the deck, I am having circles, repeat, stuck in cycles. So you are repeating some kind of cycles again and again because you are stuck in circles or stuck in karmic cycles. So you need to learn your lesson and stop the karmic cycles which you are repeating it again and again, because you are stuck in cycles here. Okay, someone is stuck in cycles, you are repeating the cycles here again and again because you are not removing yourself from the toxic situations and the relationships. That's why here the message is here from the universe that you need to remove yourself from the toxic situations or the relationships. That's why you are repeating that cycles and you're stuck in cycles here. Someone is needy here, and there is spoiled brat. Either this can be a divine masculine or this can be the divine feminine. Okay, anyone can be these. There is a blockage which I'm telling you in your twin flame journey, but applies according to your situation, whether this is divine masculine or the divine feminine, and remove these blockages. And there is ungrateful, there is unpredictable, then there is greedy. Okay, then there is anger issues, and there is sex addiction. So these can be the blockages in your twin flame journey. So thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from this deck for this reading. Give me the messages for the twin flame reading for this video. What are the messages you want me to deliver? Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages you want me to deliver? Message. There is a message which is coming for you. Recording reading time was 1555. Big changes are coming for you. Thief. Okay. What are the messages? Courthouse. Then there is house. What are the messages? Death card. Poverty. So you are trapped in your own mind thoughts, in your own cycles. That's why here I'm having thief. You are playing that, you're stealing yourself, you are making fool of yourself again and again. You're stuck in your own cycles, but that situations are going to end here. The death card is here. Death and rebirth, transformation is taking place here. Maybe you are dealing with some kind of poverty. Is not financial poverty. This is not financial poverty. This is mental poverty. Okay, maybe you are not appreciating yourself. You are saying that I do not deserve this, I am not beautiful. Okay, maybe you are saying these words to yourself. You're feeling unworthy. So these things makes you poverty by mind, but that situation is going to end here. Then there is courthouse and there is house. High honor came up. So you are going to get recognized, success, victory in your house area. Okay, and if you are going through some kind of legal court case, if there is some kind of court case which is going on, that you will going to win here. Okay, but you are going to get high honor here. Any other message for this video? Occupation and family room. You have to make room for your love. Why I'm saying Aquarius? Okay, gift and see marriage. Some kind of gift you are going to receive, and you are working on your occupation here. You need to work on that. And here you have to make room in your family room. Okay, make a family room in your house. 1818 was the recording reading time. Make room, make a family room in your house. There is marriage here. Okay, some of you are going to get engaged or marriage, and there is lovers here, and the community and the pathway. Wow, and the main male. So yes, this is your divine masculine. The pathway is uplifted here. You are getting ascended in a forward direction. Your pathway is being cleared. Maybe you receive some kind of gift from your divine masculine here, or you will find, but some kind of gift is coming towards you, that is for sure. Gift is coming for you. Community is working with you, divine masculines and the divine feminines, whoever is watching this video. Community is working in your favor with you, and this is your lovers, your twin flame, your soulmate. 1919 was the recording reading time. You are going to get married with this person very soon. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add some messages from angels. What are the messages? Please give me angels messages for this divine timing. I just cut it out and there is divine timing. Trust in the divine timing here. Okay, angels wants you to know that your prayers and blessings received will materialize in life according to the pre-ordered divine timing. Everything will be happen according to the divine timing. Okay, so you need to wait for the divine timing. Now let's see what are the messages from the angels. What are the messages? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver for this reading. Any other message? See, reoccurring situation. You are stuck in situations. I told you this. 1 minute. Where are this? Where is my deck? 1 minute, I need to find it out. Okay, here it is. I told you there is cycle repeat, stuck in cycles, and here also I'm having the same message. This is reoccurring situations. Angels want you to observe the reoccurring situation and the relationship obstacles in life. Identify them, learn from them, and grow. So you are stuck in cycles. Cycles are repeating because you have not learned your lesson here. This situation is repeating here again and again because you have not learned your lesson. Try to identify them and learn your lesson and move in a forward direction here. So that was the message. Then there is healing energy of unicorns. Pray to angels and ask them to infuse you and your loved ones with the mystical and healing energies of unicorn. You require healing here, so you have to pray to the angels so that they can provide you healing. Then there is angel box. Angels ask you to put forth your prayers, wishes and requests in the angel box. Beautiful. You can give your prayers and wishes in this angel box. Angels are giving you this angel box so that you can put your prayers and wishes in this angel box. Then there is Archangel Raphael. Archangel Raphael wants you to move away from your current unhealthy eating habits and make your conscious efforts to distance yourself from your cravings and addictions in avoid to major health problems. So maybe you are eating, or you are having some kind of addictions, which Archangel Raphael is saying that try to eat healthy, because that is not healthy for you. Try to eat healthy as much as you can. Distance yourself from cravings or addictions in order so that you cannot get your health problems. So try to eat healthy. Then there is alternative medicines. Angels wants you to treat your ailment with alternative medicine therapy like Bach flower, acupressure, acupuncture, Reiki, etc. Okay, so you can use alternative medicines. Then there is game of snake and ladders. Angels are guiding you to every step of the way and ask you to mindful of the choices you make. As the saying goes, higher the rise, greater the fall. With guidance from the angels, work on your weakness. Distance yourself from ego, pride, jealousy, and anger. See, there was anger issues here. So someone is having anger issue is here. So if you are vibrating in low frequencies, you will become again, you will not ascend in a forward direction. Okay, so you have to work on yourself. You have to become your highest, purest form. Okay, then there is responsibility. Angels say it is a time for you to take responsibility for your own action, flaws, and failures. It is futile to blame others, so you have to take the responsibilities. Divine feminines here. Then there is higher studies. Angels guide you to pursue higher studies as it will be beneficial to you down the road in life. So you have to study higher. Okay, that's the angel is trying to guide you. Let me see more message. Any other message? There was one more message. Yeah, this wants to come out. Indigo child, the wise one. The angels call you out as their indigo child. You are wise beyond your years and have a deep knowledge of universal consciousness. So that's what they are saying you, that you are the indigo child. In your consciousness, you are having a deep knowledge here. Then there is transcend with angelite. Angels guide you to use angelite crystal to evolve your spiritual consciousness and enhance telepathic communication with angels. Maybe angels are trying to communicate with you, but you are not paying attention towards them. So they are asking you to enhance your telepathic communications with the angels here. Then there is some Lyman faith. Having unflinching faith in the divine, despite what may transpire in your life, have faith that every aspect has been ordained by the higher power. So everything, see again the same message, trust in the divine plan. Everything, whatever is happening in your life, that is happening according to the divine timing, according to the divine. So have trust, because everything will unfold naturally. Divine has the best plan for you. Then there is abundance. Angelic blessings of abundance are showered upon you. Be grateful and spread the happiness around you. So angel abundance is coming for you. Spread the happiness around you. That's the message. Then there is major shift. Angels indicate that you are at a junction in life where you need to be decisive, as there will be a major shift in your life. Pray to the angels to give you strength and help you go through this phase gracefully. There is a major shift which is coming for you. So you need to pray to the angels so that you can take proper decisions for your life. Then there is parents. You have imbibed qualities and patterns from your parents. Retain the good ones and discard the negative ones. So you have get the patterns, you are following the patterns the patterns and activities and the things from your parents, and the qualities and the qualities and the patterns from your parents. You need to observe and keep the good one, the positive one inside you, and discard the negative patterns and the things which you get from your parents. Okay, you have to keep the good positive qualities and the patterns from your parents. Okay, and discard the negative ones, only keep the good ones. That's the message I'm getting here from the angels. Thank you, angels, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the more messages from angels for this reading. Forgiveness and understanding, surrender. You need to surrender yourself, transformation. Ease and go, grace. Let go everything which don't serve your highest good. Okay, and let go everything which you think that you have a fear to lose that thing. This is the holy love. Okay, manifestation. Maybe you are manifesting the holy love. This is the divine love which will do manifestation. You are manifesting your holy love, your divine love, and it will manifest according to the divine. Okay, forgiveness and understanding. You need to forgive anyone who hurt you, or and even forgive yourself too. Okay, so forgive and understand that everything was happening. 2929 was the recording reading time, was happening according to the divine plan. So forgive anyone who hurt you out in the past. Then there is composure here. Then there is ease and grace. Okay, then there is surrender. You have to surrender yourself to the divine. Okay, surrender yourself to the divine. And there is transformation which is taking place for you. Transformation is here. So these are the messages from the angels. Thank you, angels, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. Let's see what are the signs you want me to deliver. They can be a Gemini here. What are the signs? They can be a Sagittarius. They can be an Aquarius, Gemini, Sagittarius, Scorpio. They can be a Virgo. And they can be a Leo here. Okay, let me see more signs. See, Sagittarius is here again. Sagittarius is here. They can be an earth and water element. They can be an fire and air. These can be the elements in your sign, or this can be elements in your partner's sign. Air and earth. Lot of earth energy and air energy. They can born on Monday or Tuesday. Any other? They can be a Gemini here. See, Gemini. They can be an Aries. They can be earth and air. That can be an element. There can be air and fire. They can be a Pisces here. They can be a January baby. This can be the born month. And they can be a July baby here. So these are the signs which either you are dealing with, or you are dealing with, or you are self. So this was your reading. This was your messages from your divine masculine to the divine feminine. Let me see one more thing. Wait. Let me see what are the next move. What are the next move of Divine Masculine? What does they want to take the next steps? What does they want to take the next steps towards the Divine Feminine? What are the next steps Divine Masculine wants to take? What are the next steps Divine Masculine wants to take towards the Divine Feminine? What are the next steps? You are holding on your energy. You're not opening up. You're not giving your energy at all to your Divine Masculine. But they want to give you equal amount of give and take. You are standing your ground. You are holding one wand in hand. 3344 was the recording reading time, and saying that I'm not going to give up. I am still fighting and I will keep moving in a forward direction. That's great. And you may be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Sign can be anything. Okay, so, but this is someone who is very fiery, very passionate, very attractive, creative. Okay, who have lot of passion inside them. So they want to approach you. They want to give you equal amount of give and take here. You are hoping for new hopes, new desires here. Okay, they know that you are not emotionally available, and you are hoping for new hopes and new desires, and you're rising as an Empress. You're taking your energy back. 3434 was the recording reading time. You are having a lot of fiery passion, very much passions inside of you. Lot of passion, fire inside of you. Right now you're feeling like an hangman. You cannot move in a forward direction here. Any other thing which Divine Masculine wants to say? They want to offer you a lot of love here. Knight of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Emperor here. Can you see? Emperor and the Empress both are here. So yes, they want to offer you a lot of love. So this was the thing which they want to take. This was the thing which they want to do. Right now they are very sorry. They are healing. They are resting and rejuvenating themselves. See again. You are working on yourself. You're working so hard on yourself. You're putting all energies on yourself. And you're standing straight, grounding yourself. You're putting your guards up, defending your energy, and you're moving in a forward direction. You want to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. You are the wish fulfillment for them. Here, Nine of Cups and the Lovers. You are the wish fulfillment for them. They cannot sleep at night. They're spending sleepless nights here. Use your intuitions here. Use your intuitions. So this was the thing which I want to tell you more. This was the messages and the readings and many more things in this video. I hope I help you out in some manner, sending you lots of love and healing light and happiness to all of you, whoever is watching this video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.